What's up everybody, I'm Andre and this is a recording after I made the product. Why? Because I forgot. So today we are making these amazing pancake tacos and I'm using Flourish. So what is Flourish, you're probably asking? Flourish is a Canadian plant-based protein pancake mix company. And in each package, you will find no GMOs, gluten-free, 11 grams of protein, and 9 grams of fiber. They currently have their original flavor, vanilla, and chocolate. And as they say, finally, an ultra healthy breakfast you can rustle up without ever breaking a sweat. So, I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's get started. All right, let's get started. The two flavors that we are working with today are vanilla and chocolate, the OGs of flavor. You know how it is. So they're very simple. All you have to do is add either milk or water. And so I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna use milk in the, which one? In the vanilla, I think, and then water for the chocolate. And you're using about half a cup. Just under a half a cup, they say. So half a cup of mix and half a cup of liquid, just under half a cup. Get a little bit more. Ooh, interesting. All right, so let me get, what did I say? I'm using milk. That's it. All right, just under half a cup. Looks good. I've got the pan going, it's heating up, getting ready to go. Now they say if you want a thicker consistency, use more mix. Makes sense. That mixed so fast. And it smells like vanilla. I mean, I know that was the flavor, but you know, that smells really good. Let's add just a little bit more. I mean, they weren't kidding when they said just under half a cup. Okay, I think that's looking good. I'm gonna transfer this to my measuring cup. Where's my measuring cup? There it is. All right. Now, you guys, don't laugh at my spatula. So, it broke. I mean, I'm laughing. Go ahead, laugh. Yeah, good times. I have to get another one, but every time I go out, I forget. I pick up all my other groceries and then totally forget. Like I said, the pan is ready to go. And then we are good. All right, let's go over to the stove. Cool, it smells amazing in my home right now. Thank you, Flourish. Hashtag not sponsored. But if you want to, we've got our pancakes done, so now it is time to move on to our fillings. I've got some strawberry compote, which I've made before on the channel, and so I've got that ready, and I've got some sliced kiwi. And as an extra little topping, I'm gonna show you how to make this great little, I guess you can call it like a whipped cream substitute. It is pears, the juice of pears in a can. Add that. And 1 cup or 140 grams of raw cashews. I know it sounds strange, but just give me a chance. And we're just going to whip this up in the food processor until it's light and frothy and gorgeous. So when it's done, you should have this nice, smooth pear. Actually, you don't even taste the cashews. It's kind of nice. So I'm just gonna put this on top. Let's build the tacos. I gotta try. This is gonna be messy and I am here for it. Let's try the vanilla one first. Whew, let's go with this side. Nope, nope. Let's go with this side. Oh man, that's so good. Oh, the vanilla is so nice. You gotta try out the chocolate. So good. Chocolatey, strawberry, kiwi-y. It's so good. So good. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment downstairs. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new, cool, delicious videos just like this one. If you guys would like more information on Flourish and the other products that they sell, I will be sure to leave a couple of links in the description to their Insta page and their website. Love your food, love your life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.